So I'd like to talk about something you can try if your washing machine stops working. In my case, the door lock light was on, the washing light was blinking 9 times, and then it would stop and blink once and then cycle through again blinking 9 times. The washing machine was beeping, the door was locked and we couldn't open it and take the clothes out. I have another video talking about how you can try to get it unlocked, but in this video I'll explain what I did with the washing machine light blinking 9 times and beeping to actually fix the issue after I got the clothes out. So basically we were able to unscrew this panel here on the front. There's 3 screws on the bottom. One of the screws would be around there, the middle screw around here, and the last screw on the corner would be around there. I just left a couple of them in there so you can see. Essentially, once I opened this area here, there was a lot of debris in there that had to be cleaned out. You'll probably want to have the washing machine propped back a little bit and maybe put something under the washing machine like I did to elevate it, say about 4 inches or so that you can put a small little container under there to catch water, because when you open that, a good amount of water is going to be coming out. I'd say maybe like half a gallon or so. And once you clean out whatever was stuck in there, hopefully you can twist that back on. And as we all know, it's lefty loosey, righty tighty. Once you clean that out, hopefully you'll be able to put that back on and get the washing machine working again. So good luck.